Ridgers, Pond Girl Jessi here. So we're out on construction in the new water wonderland here at Willow Ridge. We're working on the last pond, and I wanted to kind of take a moment to kind of talk to you about this last pond. It's a little different. So you're used to seeing the biofalls and skimmers in all of our ponds. Most ponds are built with the biofalls and skimmers to allow some kind of filtration for the pond and keep water circulating. But this pond is a little bit different, a little more natural. So we're doing what we call a wetland intake bay. So what this is going to do is filter the water directly through plants and gravel, just like it would in a natural habitat. So we'll have an intake bay on one side with the pump, and it's going to push water across the pond and push it up from the ground up through gravel and plants. So it's going to allow a much more natural effect, and you won't see as much mechanics, so it really just looks like a natural water wetland that you would see in nature, because it doesn't have all the mechanics that are visible like with our biofalls and skimmers. So I want to kind of take a chance to show you around here. Alright, so right here we have our intake bay. So this is where our pump is going to be housed. Nice, deep, big hole. It's going to be filled with a pump there in the corner and aqua blocks. So this is where the water is going to come up over this berm. It's going to be taking the water in, and it's going to be pushing it all the way over here where the guys are digging. Over here is going to be where the water comes up. We'll have our centipede there buried. So this is our centipede here. So the water is going to come out all through those grates inside that centipede. It's going to come up from under gravel and plants, lots of bog plants. So it's going to create a natural bog, just like you see in nature. And it's going to spill over with our waterfalls here. We're going to have a nice, big, beautiful pond for you to look at. So our vault here will house our pump. The aqua blocks on top give us water volume. They'll be covered with gravel. Here, all the way around to the other side. Digging the indention. So the snorkel will sit right inside that. So we now have our snorkel in place. So we're going to have the water pumping from the intake bay all the way over there. And it's going to pump in through here. It's going to come up through our snorkel, through layers of aqua blocks and gravel and plants. And right here is my little access panel, so I'm going to be able to drop a clean out pump in there and clean up all the sediment out from underneath. This is going to be awesome. I am so excited about this wetland. I mean, being able to do something that is just so natural, you're not even going to be able to tell. You're not even going to be able to see that it's man-made water feature. It's going to look like we built this whole garden center around this gorgeous piece of wetland, and I'm so excited about it. It's going to be beautiful.